Now, where can they be? The ball is tonight. They must have taken the invitations with them. You wouldn't happen to have seen two carriages pass by here just now?
I did so. One with a man in it, the other with a woman. They split up.
Where did the man go?
That way.
Thank you. Doing fine, girl. I'm on the right track. Let's go.
Show me what you got! The ground runs faster! He's mine! I'm sorry, but I'm Got him! Target's fucking on him!
A private party event. Don't mind if I do.
Keep an eye on that fellow.
Keep your eyes peeled for any enemy.
Fetch him out! He's trying to give someone the dodge, I shouldn't wonder.
Dead is a drowned rat.
Maybe I haven't been quite as delicate as I could have been. But still... Hold on, girl.
must be something of it. Come back again by all
Wonderful rest.
That's the way. Mrs. Gladstone's under guard. Better be cautious. Better wait until she's alone.
And let me rest a moment.
Now is my chance. One should not attend the Queen's ball without making a proper entrance. Now is my chance.
Oh, God. What's he doing on our boat? Yeah, but I believe there is a reason.
Now for the invitations. What's this? Swords must be left at the door by order of the Queen. Freddy will know what to do. Steady on. Yeah. 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 Slow down.
We're not selling anything.
These tablets are free for those interested in true, genuine.
Quite a carriage you got there. Where did you buy it, if you don't mind me asking?
Ask all you want, Freddy. You'll never get an answer.
Damn it all. Was it my eyebrows?
Yes, and your face, voice, and body. Look, I've got an invitation to the Queen's ball tonight.
How did you come by that?
Freddy, there's to be an attack on the ball. I need to smuggle some weapons inside to prevent it.
Supposing I believe you. Only the Royal Guard carries weapons.
So?
Too easy.
For God's sake, Freddy.
Fine. I require a guard's uniform.
Done. I knew you'd come through.
Just promise me, Jacob, that you will return Mr. Gladstone's coach.
Of course.
Look at him there!
Someone get him!
Someone grab his arm!
Heaven is mine. I'm the king of the cucumbers. The black is mine. Mine are loving arms. She calls me, but she will receive you in her parlor. And the bloody...
I must take care not to ruin the uniform.
We have an intruder! There!
Get the intruder!
Take this!
Now where'd that animal get to?
Got it right now! You will! I suppose I won't get him now. Keep your nose clean if you know what's good for you. Stay right there, sir.
Now where'd that animal get to?
Charming. Now to hide the body. Freddy, here I come. One uniform as requested.
It's still warm.
My gift to you?
I will meet you on the roof of Buckingham Palace.
You're such a romantic.
Parliament cannot... These atrocities to continue, but we need your support.
Well, whatever we can do to help.
Let me have. This.
You think these street lads make themselves safe to get out over here? Don't go easy on her! Easy!
Come on! Yeah! Come on! Move it! Slowly.
Delighted to see you again, Miss Fry.
Your Highness, the plans detailing the renovations to Buckingham Palace have gone astray.
I suppose you will have to make do with the copies.
There are copies. Where?
Not so fast. First, I have a matter of some urgency. Carrying out my plan would require stealth and speed, qualities I know you possess.
Time is of the essence, Your Highness.
Then make this quick, my dear. The most influential men in Parliament remain beyond my reach. But these very men have sent for carriages to prepare for the ball tonight. Acquire an official carriage, and we shall drive the politicians to their destinations. Along the way, I will meet with them. And afterward, I shall tell you where to find the plans.
You're a shrewd negotiator.
One must be when one is so often underestimated.
Don't allow personal feelings to compromise the mission. What a mistake. Faster! Come on! Easy now.
I see you! I'll have you!
Hard beds and cold cells. I'd better investigate that noise.
Go on. Easy. Whoa! There you are. Easy, easy.
Our course described?
Climb up, Your Highness. Where are we headed?
Belgrave Square.
Come on. Roll then.
Tourist station, please, and on the double. My son is anticipating my arrival.
Welcome, sir.
Your Highness, what a surprise.
Is life not about embracing the unexpected? I shall take but a few moments of your time. A matter of utmost importance must be discussed. When the Commonwealth seized the Punjab from my people,
It was not a seizure, but a rightful transaction.
Britain promised to protect me. By robbing me of my kingdom, Parliament acted in violation of the treaty signed with my family. Here, read it.
I was not aware.
Read. That was all I asked. You are one of the few. I trust you and your son will enjoy the ball this evening.
He is newly returned from Delhi. I will share what we have discussed. It is most disconcerting.
That proved quite valuable.
Where to now?
St. James's Park. I noticed Mr. Green did not accompany you.
He has other things to attend to.
Ah, a pity. You two seem to get along nicely.
Well, that was a problem, you see. One must not allow personal feelings to compromise one's mission.
That sounds like a quotation.
It is. From my father.
Ethan Fry.
You knew him?
No, unfortunately. But Mr. Green spoke of him. He sounded like an extraordinary man.
He was, Your Highness.
And your mother as well, Cecily Fry. She and your father were partners, inseparable. The only duo that came close to challenging Mr. Starrick. And very much in love, at least from the small amount I have been told.
Cecily. I wish I could have met her.
From what Mr. Green gathered, you share much in common. Your intelligence, for one.
Your father never spoke of her. What would Mr. Green know? He was only a boy when he trained with my father.
Children can be quite perceptive, Miss Fry.
Slowly now.
To Parliament, please. On the double.
Yes, sir.
Good day, sir.
Why, what are you doing here, Your Highness?
I know how busy your days have been of late. A few moments of your time is all I require.
This is all rather unorthodox, but continue.
Britain was to protect me according to the treaty my family signed. Instead, she took my land. And now I hear Britain intends to strengthen her ties to India. Perhaps it is time to return the Punjab to her people.
The Queen has supplied you with an annual income for God knows how long, and now you bite the hand that feeds you?
It is not a matter of money. I cannot stand idle.
Good day, sir.
May God bless you. Only one more remains. To the Gladstone residence.
Do you miss India?
I remember that my mother smelled of cinnamon. And when she cradled me in her arms in the summer heat, I would hold so still that she fell asleep. When I lost my kingdom, it hurt. But truly... Good day, Mr. Gladstone.
Mr. Singh.
You are a hard man to pin down.
I know what this is about. Your politics have worn off. Her Majesty is tired of you. So now you come begging for scraps.
You wound me deeply, sir. My people deserve freedom. I am here to fight for them.
Why did you lose the Punjab? I shall tell you, Your Highness. You were outgunned, outmaneuvered, and simply outclassed. Yes, the Sikhs deserve freedom. I hope with British help and progress, they shall achieve it.
Then why do they cry out for their king?
Britain has a duty to bring about peace. It is an enormous responsibility, and I value your guidance and advice. Not much luck, Your Highness, with your lobbying. I hope my advice has done some good.
Far more than your policies thus far. But I hold out hope that you will make progress. My people are counting on it. Thank you, Miss Fry, for forwarding my cause.
Oh, you are welcome. I hope some good comes of it, despite Mr. Gladstone's vitriol.
Those of us with the largest hearts protect them the most. Your father, for instance. From what I understand, he was extraordinarily sad. Broken, even, after your mother's passing. That kind of pain can blind us, cause us to say outlandish things to protect the ones we love. It's time you returned this carriage and recovered those plans. They are located in Buckingham Palace. The Queen keeps them among her personal papers in the White Drawing Room. I wish you a good evening, Miss Evie Fry.
And to you, Your Highness.
Good day, dear Miss Fry.
Come on. Whoa there. Easy now.
Let's run then.
Slowly now.
You're out. Hey!
Atta girl. Go on. Those coppers won't believe their eyes.
Intruder! Get tight! Stop this! What the? Come on! You're going too fast! Decrease your speed! Hold it down! Get up! Don't you let me see you ugly mug round London or run with your Damn, I think this one took a shot at you once. Serves you right.